Welcome back to Explore Error. In today's video, I'll show you how to create AI images using Chat GPT step by step. So, let's get started. First, open Chat GPT on your browser or app and make sure you are logged into your account. Next, start a new chat. In the message box, describe the image you want to create. Try to be clear and give proper details. For example, mention the subject, background, colors, style, and mood of the image. After typing your prompt, just send the message. ChatGPT will create an AI image based on your description. If you don't like the result, you can change your prompt and ask ChatGPT to generate it again. You can also ask for changes like better lighting, a different style, or more details. Once you are satisfied with the image, you can download or save it to your device and use it for your personal or creative work. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more AI tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.